Hey, welcome. You're welcome to the unboxing, and today we're going to be unboxing a shoe or a sneaker I consider very, very special from the house of Nike. You can see this is the box fresh from the dealer. Yeah, authentic shit right here. Yeah, and I don't know if you can see what I have going on here, but if you can see this, you should be able to decode what I have inside the box. But even if you can't, hey, this is the unboxing. We're gonna do it together, so wait for it. All right, so I'm not gonna waste much of your time. Let's just jump right into it. This is an unboxing. I know you're dying to see what's inside the box, so we're gonna open this up. This is here, and voila. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. What I have in my hands is the Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro Dark Mocha. Yes, this is the Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro Dark Mocha, one of the most anticipated sneakers ever created after the Travis Scotts. And also the Air Jordan, the black toe. So let me not waste too much time on talk, and let's just open these bad boys up and see what they look like on the inside. Okay. A little bit of struggle there with the paper bag. Okay, yes, we got it. Look at this, people. Look at this. I'll give you a 360 view of the shoe. My God. Oh my days. This is amazing. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful piece of sneakers. I can tell you that for free, because even if you look at the silhouette, the way the colors work, with each other, it's just magnificent. And just so you know, these sneakers are what I like to call the OG sneakers. Grown man shit, if you understand what I mean. This is for the big boys. The color is subtle. It's not jumping at you. It's not in your face. Even the white that you're looking at, it's still white. It's not like plain white that would probably be jarring. It's just tame, and it's real mature. I can tell you that for free. And yeah, I'm just gonna put this here. Let's get the other one out of the bag so you see what we're working with here. Yes, voila. Yes, Nike Retro Air Jordan 1 Dark Mocha. I can tell you for free that this sneaker is one of the best footwears that have come out of the house of Nike. I can tell you that for free. And why can I say this confidently? Because since 1985 that they started making this piece of sneakers, the controversy that was around it with Michael Jordan, and the fact that Nike even had to pay him to wear this brand of shoes when the NBA was giving him troubles. It just made the shoe, a bigger statement than what it was then. And over the years, the popularity and the love for this shoe has grown. And today, with the relaunch of this piece of sneakers, everybody's digging them. Everybody's into them. I see a lot of celebrities out there digging and rocking these sneakers like no man's business. And I'm really happy, because hey, this is a very good piece of shoe. Why is it a good piece of shoe? The way it's made is, if you look at, you might not be able to see, but there's a stitch right here that holds the body and the sole together. That, for me, I think is beautiful. If you are an ardent follower of the Nike or the Air Jordans, you will understand, what I have here. This is from the making reference or paying respects to the 1985 edition of this shoe, and also the black toe area. This is amazing. It's a beautiful piece of sneakers. I can tell you that for free. Also the signature Nike swoosh. And then I need to tell you this. This shoe comes with not just one, not two, not three, but 4 shoelaces. Can you imagine that? 4 shoelaces for one pair of sneakers. I think that's gangster. Let me show you the laces real quick. So already you have the black, which is on here on the shoe. I'm gonna lace that, much later. Then you have the pink. You have the dark chocolate or dark coffee, yeah. And then you have another the sail, or off-white, or whatever you like to call it. But with these, I can rock this shoe from Monday to Sunday and just change laces and look good, look fly, look fresh, and just keep it moving, keep making money, keep doing what I do, and painting the town red in my new sneakers and making my enemies jealous. You know what I'm saying? Haters gonna hate, but hey, we do what we do. So yeah, these are the laces that come with the shoe. And I have seen people rock it, with the pink lace, and it looks amazing. It looks amazing. It's a very versatile piece of footwear. I can tell you that for free. And Nike, they got it on this one. I can't argue. Even I tried the shoes on earlier. I tried it for size, and boy, I put my legs in these bad boys and they were comfortable. They were on point. The way the cushion just hugs, your legs as soon as they get in, and then the padding on the inside, it just makes your heels settle. The heel counter area has a way of just holding the back of your foot in place. And I gotta tell you this, man, this is a collector's item. It's not just a piece of sneakers, it's a collector's item. So you need to invest in these bad boys. Take it from me, take it from one who knows. Because I'm not just saying this because I love sneakers and I wear them. I'm also saying this because I went to school for this. Shout out to Yellow Brick in conjunction with Fashion Institute of Technology, New York, and Complex Magazine. Thank you guys for teaching me, the basics and the things that I need to know about shoes, about sneakers especially. And I must tell you, the way I view sneakers now is not the same like it used to be. Then it used to be just a weekend thing where, hey, this is what I wear on the weekends and I go to where I need to go to. But now, these are collector's items. These are collector's items. I collect these pieces. And also, in case you don't know, and this is for my Ninja boys out there who don't know this detail, there is something called StockX. StockX.com. Go there. That is a stock market for sneakers. Trust me, you will see tons and tons of sneakers you will fall in love with. And hey, get to bidding, get to buying, so that you can have some of the rarest collections. You'll find them on there on StockX.com. Yeah, I'll probably put the link in the description below. But yeah, back to these guys. If you check out the sole, yeah, you see I have the signature Nike underneath the sole. Then this is a dark mocha color. It's just beautiful. The signature Air Jordan with the wings, the ball on the wings. And this pointillism ... that you have here, I think it just adds to the aesthetic of the shoe and makes it look really, really beautiful and worth the buy. Trust me, if you buy these shoes, they are worth it. They're my go-to shoes, and this is not the first set of Air Jordan I have. I think this is, since I started collecting, this is like the 3rd pair, and I must tell you, they perform. Take them onto the court. These shoes will still help you do what you have to do on the court and off the court. So hey, and then they go with outfits. I try this on with some native Ankara attires, or I have this kembe that I like to wear when I rock these, and they just make me look like I'm from another planet, and I'm like here on earth to take over the world. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, these bad boys are highly recommended. So I suggest you go get yours, and make sure you get the original version, because it's a pain. It's a pain when you take your hard-earned money and then you go out there to buy a pair of sneakers you love, and then you find out you bought a knockoff. it's not helpful. It won't give anybody joy. So make sure you take the time out. The videos on YouTube with that boys have put out there, guys and girls have put out there, so that they'll teach you how to identify legit sneakers. So take some time out, watch those videos, learn the tips and the things you need to look out for before you make your next purchase, because I've had my fair share of knockoffs and they were not pleasant, but it was a learning curve for me. I took it as a learning curve, and hey, today I have the eye, I have the details, I know what to look out for when I'm trying to cop a fresh pair of sneakers, whatever the brand. So yeah, that's it. This is the Nike Dark Mocha Retro. Yeah, Air Jordan 1, highly recommended. I suggest you have this in your collection. If you don't have this in your collection, don't talk to me, because we're not on the same level. All right, I'm just kidding. Still talk to me, whatever it is you rock. Yeah, and yeah, make sure you get the real deal. Please do not go and buy the Chinese version. Okay, I'm not saying this to spite the Chinese, but I mean, a lot of the things we use are made in China anyway, even a lot of the good stuff. So, but I'm just saying it's just a joke we pass off around here, where we say, if we look at something you have and then we tell you, oh, it's not the real deal, it's the Chinese version. That's our way of saying, hey, you bought the knockoff. Or we'll tell you something like, you don't go buy a barmaid. So, but this is not a barmaid, this is legit. I went through hell to get this. I called dealer after dealer, who called their dealers, who called their other dealers and other dealers. And why do we have to go through so much pain to get legit pieces? Nike, come on, why are we not on the website? Nigeria, do something about it. I mean, we love you, we love what you guys put out there. We're collectors as well, so give us a chance to collect some more. Anyway, that's it, folks. That's it. Those are the shoes. I'm gonna lace them, I'm gonna wear them, and I'm gonna paint the town red and make my enemies jealous. Yeah, so that's all I have to say about this for now. I sign out, and I'll definitely see you in another video. I'll probably do a video where I'm teaching you how to identify original sneakers. So if you want a video like that, let me know in the comments below, and we'll create that content just for you guys, so that you guys can be guided on your next purchase, and then you spend your money and you're happy with your purchase. So till then, till the next video, I'll say peace and love from this side. I love you guys, and your boy is signing out. Cheers.